That's deep. Salty. It's good. Crystal clear, man.
Woo!
Almost Grand Turk. Man, we're just trying to enjoy ourselves, man. Trying to enjoy ourselves. Ooh, that chicken. How was that chicken?
It was good. The chicken was good.
Shit, hot, spicy. Good but spicy. Just get the chicken. I tried the cunts. It was alright. It was just oily.
The cunt?
Yeah.
Oh, the little round thingy? Watch out, a big wave. Woo! Here comes another one.
Woo! Hey, what's pushing the water? Must be the boat.
Yeah.
Salt water burns.
That's why I haven't put my face in it.
You're gonna put your face in right now. We're gonna go down and do a video. Let me know when you're ready.
Oh, I didn't want to put my face in it, but you know why I am? Because it's gonna burn.
Burn your skin.
Yeah, the sun is burning the shit out of my face, inside of my face. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Hey, go. Come give me a hug, baby. Come dance with me, my amor.
How does this shit fog up so quick? I think that it fogs up.
Could be in the water. Let's take a picture. It's okay, take it. Turks and Caicos. Journey 23. 44 years old. 48 years old. Tomorrow I'll be 45. Oh, it's too deep? Oh.
Oh, I can't be pulling you in on me.
No, I'm swimming you out. I didn't know you was going.
Turks, man.